How to create an account in Twitch. Now, in order to create a Twitch account in 2026, just simply open any of your browser and search for Twitch in there. Then this first link of twitch.tv will appear in very top. Tap into that link and open the official website of Twitch. Now, when the Twitch website loads up, you will see the option of sign up in the very top. Tap to sign up button in order to create your account. Now, to create an account in Twitch, you can use either email, Google, Amazon, and Apple accounts. You just simply need to choose whichever option you would like to use. You can also switch the email option with the phone number, and you can use your phone number as well. You just simply need to pick up your option. I am going to select the option of Google. After picking up the Google, Apple, or any of the other option that you choose, just simply select the Gmail or email address that you would like to use in order to create an account and tap to continue. Then this page will appear where you can create a username for your account and you can set up a date of birth for your account. Just simply fill out these two and tap to sign up button. And after tapping in the sign up button, your account in Twitch will successfully be created. So this is how you can very easily create an account in Twitch. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.